Have you ever wondered how just a few simple changes in your morning routine could have a huge impact on your overall health and well-being? Well, I'm here to tell you that it's absolutely possible. In fact, by incorporating the 12 healthiest foods into your morning routine, you can truly transform your life for the better. But first, let me ask you this. Do you often find yourself feeling sluggish and tired in the morning? Are you constantly reaching for that extra cup of coffee just to get through the day? If so, it might be time to rethink your morning eating habits. Now, I know what you're thinking. Healthy eating sounds boring and bland. But trust me, with the 12 healthiest foods I'm about to share with you, your taste buds will thank you and your body will feel amazing. So what are these magical foods, you ask? Well, let's start with number 1, avocado. Avocados are not only delicious, but they're packed with healthy fats and fiber, which can help keep you feeling full and satisfied throughout the morning. Next up, we have eggs. Eggs are a fantastic source of protein and essential nutrients that can help fuel your body and brain for the day ahead. Plus, they are super versatile and can be enjoyed in so many different ways. And how could we forget about oats? Oats are a great source of complex carbohydrates and fiber, making them the perfect choice for a hearty and healthy breakfast. Plus, they can be customized with your favorite toppings like fruits, nuts, and seeds. Moving on to number 4, Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is not only creamy and delicious, but it is also packed with protein and probiotics, which can help support your digestive health. It's a win-win. Now, let's talk about berries. Berries are not only sweet and juicy, but they are also loaded with antioxidants and vitamins that can help boost your immune system and protect your cells from damage. And of course, we can't forget about nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are a great source of healthy fats, protein, and fiber that can help keep you satisfied and energized throughout the morning. Plus, they add a delicious crunch to your breakfast. Next on the list, we have green tea. Green tea is not only refreshing, but it is also packed with antioxidants and nutrients that can help improve your overall health and well-being. It's the perfect alternative to that second cup of coffee. Now, let's talk about bananas. Bananas are not only convenient and portable, but they are also a great source of potassium and other essential nutrients that can help support your heart health and muscle function. Moving on to spinach. Spinach is a nutrient-dense leafy green that is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help support your overall health. Plus, it's a great addition to smoothies, omelets, and salads. Next up, we have chia seeds. Chia seeds are a powerhouse of nutrition, packed with fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids that can help support your digestion, heart health, and brain function. Plus, they make a great addition to your morning yogurt or oatmeal. And let's not forget about sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are not only delicious, but they're also a great source of vitamins, minerals, and fiber that can help support your immune system and digestion. Plus, they make a tasty and satisfying breakfast option. Last but not least, we have turmeric. Turmeric is a vibrant spice that is packed with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can help reduce inflammation in the body and support your overall health. Plus, it adds a delicious flavor to your morning dishes. So there you have it, the 12 healthiest foods that you should be eating every morning to truly transform your life for the better. By incorporating these nutrient-dense foods into your daily routine, you can improve your energy levels, support your immune system, and nourish your body from the inside out. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fun and educational content on how to live your healthiest and happiest life. Thanks for watching.